Directional drilling is the art of creating a hole or well bore to a specific field that has certain oil or gas reservoirs that people want to access.
We design drilling and completion tools for the oil and gas industry. That's where SIMULIA Structural Simulation Engineer, or SSE, comes in. SOLIDWORKS simulation helps us by very quickly taking our CAD models, applying loads to them, seeing how they're going to react, and then we can iterate that very quickly.
SOLIDWORKS and SSE specifically have accelerated our business substantially. We're saving crazy time, and that's dramatically cutting down on the amount of not only the manufacturing, the cost of manufacturing, and the time associated with getting tools out quicker. We believe if it's not fresh and innovative, we're not into it. And SOLIDWORKS aligns with that perfectly.